My name is Maciej and I'm a participant from Polish group. I am on the project called Skazani na Sukces, where we learn about business plans and how to make them. For example, we learn many things throughout the project. For example, how to do elevator speech, how to write our business plans, and how to tell them to everybody. And also we made many fun games, such as all of us had to make, for example, we're a company and we need to get our investors to get to us. And I think that this project was amazing, especially the new people that we met. I also learned a bit of Ukrainian by the time of this project, and I would love to get back to it again. Thank you everyone, and see you on the next time.